AI Basics explained in simple words. AI is no longer a future concept. It's already part of our daily life. From unlocking your phone to getting video recommendations, AI is working quietly in the background. Let's understand AI in simple words. What is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, means teaching computers to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Examples include recognizing faces, understanding voice commands, recommending videos, or detecting spam emails. AI doesn't think like humans. It analyzes data, finds patterns, and makes predictions. AI versus human intelligence. Humans use reasoning, experience, and intuition. AI uses data, algorithms, and probability. A human can recognize a cat after seeing a few photos. An AI may need thousands of images to do the same. Opinion line. AI is powerful, but it has no common sense. Types of AI. Practical view. The AI we use today is called narrow AI, designed for specific tasks. Examples: Google Maps predicting traffic, Netflix recommending movies, email spam filters, chatbots answering customer questions. Human-level AI does not exist yet. Machine learning and generative AI. Most AI today is powered by machine learning, systems that learn from data instead of fixed rules. For example, banks use AI to detect fraud by learning what normal transactions look like. Generative AI goes a step further. It can create content. Examples: ChatGPT writing text, AI creating images and videos, AI helping developers write code. It predicts the most likely next output, which is why it can sometimes be wrong. Where AI helps the most. AI is best at handling repetitive and data-heavy tasks. Examples: customer support automation, resume screening, medical image analysis, quality checks in factories. Opinion line. AI works best as an assistant, not a replacement. Where AI struggles. AI struggles with context, emotions, and ethical decisions. Examples: understanding sarcasm, making moral judgments, handling completely new situations. This is why humans must stay in control. Closing. AI is not magic. It's data, math, and computing power. The key skill today is not fighting AI, but learning how to use it. Once you understand the basics, AI becomes far less scary and far more useful.